Alright, so hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4x Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so guys, just a quick disclaimer, okay? We're not a buy or sell channel, you guys know that by now, but for the ones that are new on here, we're not a buy or sell channel. We provide free, let me repeat that, we provide free technical and fundamental analysis, and we find potential opportunities in these markets to make pips, which we then convert into money. All right, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're not on the right stream. But if you are looking for someone to teach you about these markets and of course trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so you guys, we do have some news today, about 15 minutes after market open. All right, so maybe we get some moves. Then I was doing the top down, well, I was just doing it. I've been doing it for the past 2.5 hours, and I've been analyzing these markets, and I did catch some moves. I did, but let's see. All right, let's see how news wants to play out, and maybe we can have some more moves come in for market open and for news. Okay, so just give me a quick second. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, fam. Good morning, everyone. I'll get to the chat in just a bit, okay? Alright, and also, guys, we didn't do London today. The reason we didn't do London was just because we had about 10 people come on Monday, and then we had about 15-20 people come in later. We didn't get a single success story, and it except for Jem. Thank you so much, Jem. And it's just demotivating, okay? Because you guys need to realize we're providing this as a free service on here, which means we don't have to be doing this. We're doing this because we want to do this and because we're building something. All right, so we need. Listen, it's not in my hands. Cash is the one that's hosting that session, and it is at her disposal whether if she wants to do it for 15 people or 20 people or how many ever. Okay, so but absolutely, someone did suggest that we should give you guys a heads up, and we usually do. It's just, guys, every now and then there are going to be emergencies, there are going to be issues. We also run a production house, we also have our own lives. There are things that may happen, it may not always happen, but absolutely we'll keep it in mind and we'll try our best to keep y'all informed. Okay, we try to do well. Just even till before last week, we were doing 2 sessions every single day. But guys, it's not as easy as it seems to y'all. For y'all, it just looks like we're coming here and we're trading, but that's not it. It takes a lot to gather the information that we're gathering and giving it out to you guys. All right, so please don't take us for granted, and appreciate what you're getting over here. And absolutely, we will give you guys heads up as we move forward. Okay, but y'all need to understand that we're only human as well, and there are going to be times when we may face some emergencies, be it work or be it whatever, but we'd appreciate you guys being understanding. Okay, I'll be on tomorrow, so I've been super busy. It's all good, guys. Okay, I am gonna get to sharing my chart. Give me a second. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now, guys, there was a big move a little before the early swap. All right, nice bearish move coming in on Goldie, and also a nice bearish move coming in for Nasdaq. And I'm just watching now. Okay, I caught some of the gold. You know, guys, I've realized it. I don't know. Tell me if you guys can relate to this, but I've found, for me, the relationship that I share with gold is like, it's a love-hate relationship. I've just traded it for so long now that I feel like I understand it. But I trade gold in phases, and I've found myself trading gold a lot more in the past 2 weeks. Is this happening with y'all as well? Because I'm actually not looking at Nasdaq or the 30. I'm looking more at gold these days, and it's giving us moves, guys. It's giving us good moves. Love and hate for me too. Oh, well, guys, listen, in your first year of trading, it's going to be that way, all right? I promise y'all that. In your first year of trade, gold's this really, really, really freaking hard puzzle to solve, okay? But when you start to understand it, like I say, the OGs on here might know it, right? I call it the seductress, because it does that. You know, it makes you some money, it makes you lose even more money, but then it keeps calling you back because it shows you that this is how I move, baby. It's insane. I actually like oil more, as it seems. Yes, oil oil is a much, I wouldn't say a better commodity to trade because it's not as volumized as gold, obviously, but it's definitely it's a it's a security or a commodity that respects level, so it's safer to trade that. Oil moves well, you guys. Oil, it moves well. Okay, Nasdaq. Do you all see why I don't want to be getting in any sort of sells right now? It's because of this, alright? But the ones on my one-on-ones, the ones on the mentorship program, y'all should be seeing something play out over here, right? So we are coming into some consolidation, basically, and we're waiting to maybe see how we react to either our 4-hour support or the 15-minute resistance, and then we'll take and then we'll take a look at what we have to do, maybe slightly closer to market open. Just give me a quick second, you guys. About that, you guys. Listen, are y'all having any disturbances hearing me? Is there background noise because there's some carnival or something? Stop it, babe. Cash is having a little bit of a laugh attack right now. Alright, as long as y'all can hear me, okay? She's crying right now laughing. Okay, as long as y'all can hear me, it's all good. We have some Indian aunties screaming right outside us right now. So I hope that's not bothering you guys, okay? Good. Alright, so we're coming into some clear demand right here based off of this wick that y'all should be seeing right now. Okay. Let's draw that out. Sorry, you guys, I was just setting up my MetaTrader. Okay, so we're coming into some demand, as y'all can see here. Alright, and what's going to be BOS from here, you guys? It's going to be past our hourly support to the upside. Okay, so let's see. I'm not looking to jump into anything. We still have about 15 minutes to market open, so we'll take a call, okay? Alright, I'm gonna throw on some alerts here, one here as well. I think, alright, on Nasdaq, it's definitely time we start to go bullish. Now listen, one of two things can happen, okay? We're definitely gonna get this zone. We're gonna get this zone to zone move when and if we do break out of here. From 90 to 16, we're looking at a good 26 pip move over here. Okay, so we could grab this, but then you'll need to realize that we are gonna have a little bit of a retracement, or it could be a retracement right back to where we are right now, right? So what I mean is we could maybe do that before we get that, or we could be doing the bigger picture like that, right? But either way, you're gonna get a retracement. So for the ones that don't feel safe trading this, wait for price to break above our supply, and of course if they want to break down from our 4-hour support, they're going to push down and they're going to push down heavy. Okay, babe, can I have some water? Sorry guys, just give me a quick second. Need to get a drink of water. Okay, as y'all can see, we're also coming into a short-term uptrend. Gold's doing something. Okay, still testing. Let's throw on an alert at our daily supply, and let's throw on an alert at our hourly now resistance. Okay, Guys, I was on mute and I didn't realize it, and I kept talking. I was asking y'all, do y'all want me to chart the Dow Jones for y'all, US 30? Do y'all want me to do that, or are we good with just 2 charts? Oh no, that's the I legit I was talking and then I realized that my headphones were muted. Good with these 2. All right, let me know. I'm just gonna put in DJ, react to it, and I'll know how many of y'all want me to chart it. We have a good number, I'll chart it, or we'll just look at 2 of these. Alright, 7. Okay, the ones that don't want to react as well. Let's see which one outweighs what, and it seems like we're doing the dirty. Ooh, Goldie, pushing. Look at that. Okay, so you could be looking at this. Again, you'll need to realize how close you are to market open right now. And we could be maybe testing this area, okay? I'm not in on this personally, you guys. If you all want to, please be careful. But gold's doing it right now, okay? Right when someone said it's a gold day, gold's making its move. Alright, so this still looks good. It still looks good. Let's see if they want to break this previous low on the RSI, and that's when we maybe know that they're going to push further. Okay? I'm going to throw on an alert here in case they want to do that. Okay. Let's do some dirty, you guys. We have about 12 minutes. Ian, will you make a video interpreting RSI? Yeah, absolutely, man. If we're gonna be making videos on all of these, but give me a second and I can break it down for you quickly anyway, okay? Give me a second, Ian. Let me just get this done. Guys, the top down is just something I do. I understand it's not everyone's cup of tea. You guys could, I've just been doing this for the longest time in this way, which is why I continue to do it and it works well for me. You guys can also just use the fibs. It'll give you a similar result. Thank you. Sorry guys, the camera went off frame. Well, I went off frame. Camera was right there. Okay. Alright, we're coming into this, Looks good. Alright, let's switch over. Let's make a little correction over here. Babe, stop it. Sorry you guys, the music's just getting louder for us and it's getting a little hard to concentrate. But okay. I'm gonna use this level as our 4H resistance. Okay. Right. Perfect. Alright, looks good. Okay. We're definitely coming into some early resistance. These are good levels as well. Y'all could mark up this candle wick as well, but I just like the rejection that we're getting from here, which is why I'm marking this level up. Okay, so this is going to be the early resistance. We don't need any support. We do have a key. Okay, I like that area. Okay. It's gonna act up as our 15-minute resistance. Okay, looks good. Okay. Alright, so straight up we're coming into some demand right there. Okay. Yep. And we have some supply right there. Okay. So let's see. Let's see, you guys. Alright guys, give me a quick second. I'm just going to set up some levels on my MetaTrader. Let's take a look at the RSI. Alright, looking good. Holding, we're held up at the 9 right now. We could have a little bit of a test down here. Okay. And then maybe we could get this move. Alright, so let's move this here. Let's try to get that break maybe. Okay. Nasty still respecting the trend. Guys, listen, you'll also need to realize that we have news that's going to release 15 minutes after market open, okay? So we may have a couple of fake outs or we may have a complete dud for market open, but then maybe we get the move for when news releases or for when the hourly swap happens, which will be half an hour after market open, okay? So today's patience. Today's patience. All right? Barely any volume today, you guys. Well, we've got to deal with it. This is how these markets are. I don't have an exact bias right now, just because it's both market open and news. All right, but if you're gonna ask me, I think this looks good. All right. If not, we'd be looking at something up there. Okay, but there's a reason that I have this level marked out and I have this level marked out, as you all can see, based off of the yellow lines. Okay, so let's see. We have about 5 more minutes to market open. I'm currently in no trades, you guys. No feelers, nothing of that sort, because like I said, I was doing some I was doing a little bit of trading right before we started. Okay, that was moving. Let's wait for the break, you guys. Let's wait for the break, okay? We get this, we're going up there. We get that, we're pushing up there. Straight up, okay? Alright, and gold respected demand. And, well, we're pushing back up, okay? So now... Okay. All right. Feelers to test it out there in case they want to push. And if not, your safer entries would be this zone up to your hourly. Okay? Please guys, only get in with feelers here, especially because you're also so close to market open. What is a feeler? I'm just starting. Sorry, you don't have to be sorry. A feeler is a very, very tiny position that you use just to test out the waters, just to test out the analysis for the day. Alright, so the smallest position that you possibly can, that your broker allows you to put, would be a feeler. Okay? And then you get in with bigger positions when price closes in our boxes, which will be up here or down here. Alright, so what do y'all want to do for market open? Do y'all want to do Nasdaq? Do y'all want to do the dirty? What do y'all want to do for market open? I like the dirty mo, you guys. I really like the dirty mo. Straight up. Let's have this here. Clear supply. Clear supply. Okay, the moves could maybe start. Let's see how they want to react around here. Okay, maybe they push down. Maybe they go up. But what we do realize from here is that this is going to be an area where we're going to get some movement. Okay, just base. Look, if I extend this, you see how we're so wicked within the zone? That's because there are sellers that are sitting in that area, okay? Are these markets going to have enough volume to break past the sellers and push to the upside? We're going to have to find out, all right? All right, guys, Nasdaq is trying. All right, let's look at, maybe the dirty is going to give it to us. Let's see. All right, are we going to have a pre-open move? Well, no, we have a minute and a half to go, so it's probably just going to be a move, okay? So, all right, let's look at this. We could come back down here, but again, that would be the proper break that I'd be looking for, okay? So what we can do is we can bring this down. Beautiful. We could have Nasdaq buys in this zone up to our supply, okay? And then of course if we break past the supply, the resistance is what will come in next, okay? Okay, so let's keep our eyes on this. We have about 40 seconds. I have set up some orders, you guys. I'm just gonna watch. Don't go too crazy. Let's have a good market open, and let's get it, yo. Let's get it. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds. Let's take a quick look at gold as well. All right, guys, and also listen. Please, y'all don't need to be trading the first couple of seconds of news, okay? But this is market open, you guys. Let's get it. Alright. Okay, they gapped it. Oh, okay, look at that. They're dropping. They respected that, okay? Wait, let's see what they want to do. Alright, if the sells want to come in on Nasdaq, you're looking at that area. If the buys want to come in, y'all know where we're going to go from, okay? Look at this. We break this. We could push down somewhere there on the dirty, okay? But let's see. Let's see. I'm not going to enter not till we break maybe this area on the sells. I don't want to be caught in any sort of fake outs, okay? Okay. Rejection. Alright, you guys. Let's watch. Alright, Cash has made some on Nasdaq. She's just told me. Alright, let's watch. Okay. Oh, good lord. Alright, you guys. So I caught this bottom. Alright, I caught the bottom. Okay, and I am running right now. I'm running. Alright, let's see if they want to give it to us. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Come on. Push up. Push up. Alright, is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Did anyone get in on anything? Okay, I'm running about 500-600 right now. Ranging 500 and 600. Okay? Guys, these markets are moving like crazy. My MetaTrader is going nuts right now. Alright, Alright, look at this! 1 second I'm up 1700 and then all of a sudden I'm at 400. This is going, is anyone else experiencing this right now? Because it's crazy, okay? I'm up by 1500, I'm up by 2300. Alright, and I'm back down to 400. What is going on over here, you guys? This is going crazy. Stopped out in a plus. Alright, good, good, good. As long as you close it in profit, that's what matters, okay? I'm still watching this, y'all. I'm still in. I'm still looking. I caught the end of this wick. That's going to be my stop loss as well. So if we hit this area and start a push down, I'm just going to get stopped out and I'm probably just going to pay my commissions, which I'm absolutely okay with. Okay? Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Look at that. Nasdaq is approaching the buys. Who's getting in on Nasdaq? Come on, you guys. This is the impulse. I'm not in on Nasdaq, okay? Because I am watching the Dirty 30, alright? They're attempting. Okay. Alright, so I'm running on US 30, 2500, 3100 on US 30. Who's catching it? Everything's going bullish, guys. Secure your profits now, alright? I am liquidating my position. Alright, and I'm good. I caught 23, how much did I catch? 2300 on this. Who caught that with me? Alright, quick in, quick out. I was looking at US 30, but it went all the way there and I caught that. Did anyone catch that with me, you guys? I'm gonna send a picture of my trade. I got in on nothing. Yeah, it's nasty. Wait for it, guys. Wait for news, alright? I just wanted a quick scalp in and out. And I caught that, okay? Alright, so I had, let me tell you guys my positions. I had 2 Lambos and a feeler, and I still have 1 Lambo running at break even, and I secured 1 Lambo. Alright? It's okay, guys. Listen, y'all don't need a FOMO in or out of anything, okay? So just take it easy. Let them do what they wanna. There's gonna be news in the next 11 minutes. You guys shouldn't be trading this before news anyway, okay? Alright, maybe we switch over to Nasdaq now. Let's look at it, okay? I'm gonna have my level here. Alright, give me a quick second. I'm gonna set up another order in case they want to give it to us, you guys. Okay, just an impulse so far on Nasdaq, nothing close. Let's see. The new candle just opened up. Alright, and they didn't close in our box, y'all, okay? So let's see, maybe we get a little bit of a retest and then we could start to push past here again. Okay. Gold is not doing anything, very, very slow right now. Alright, and the Dow is pushing down, okay? I'm pretty sure I got, yes, I did get stopped out on break even. So that was it for me on this trade. Let me send you all my positions real quick and show you all what I caught on that, okay? This is bleeding right now. Alright? This is the importance of a break-even stop loss, you guys. My stop loss was somewhere in this area, just before the wick, and that's why you have a break-even stop loss, okay? So that you bank what you bank, and then you're in a risk-free trade, alright? And if price wants to do its thing, I'm going to catch the next move anyway. Alright, sending my trade out to you guys. Oh, that was fun. It was weird though. Did any of y'all experience that with me? I was literally in profit for 2.5k and then I was coming back down to 300 and 400 and kept jumping up and down, up and down. Did anyone get in on that trade with me? That wasn't the nicest, but we catch it nonetheless, okay? Alright, so I just sent it to y'all. I only closed out the bigger Lambo, as y'all can see. That's all I closed out. And then I left my feeler and the other Lambo running at break even. Alright, so I pretty much got 22,000 on this trade, which for me is good enough. Yep, the US 30's tanking, man. Look at that. Look at that. Nasty's coming into sells? Alright, so impulse rejection on Nasty. We could be coming in on the sells, you guys. We could be coming in on the sells, okay? Okay. Indecision right now. Indecision, not the nicest movement. Let's see. Have we created a new low? No, we haven't created a new low. Alright, and we have news in 6 minutes. So right now they're just playing around. They're just doing that back and forth dirty movement, and they're playing around, okay? They're still not telling us who's gonna get it, the buyers or the sellers. They're trying to fake the retail out. Let them. Okay, retest on the 50. UF30 has formed some new support. Right, oops, right there. I won't be looking to get in on any sells, not till we break this level, if they want to do that on news, okay? Oof, look at that, look at that. The dirty is pushing down with momentum, you guys. Is anyone in on these sells right now? Anyone at all? Yeah, me neither, man. I don't want to be part of this. This could be just a move before news, and I don't want to be trapped in anything like this, okay? We've got 5 more minutes to news. Yeah, dirty's being dirty right now. Oh, look at that. Fuck, we missed it. Was anyone looking at Nasty? Guys, Nasty is freaking trying to hit TP, okay? Are you watching this?
I'm not interested in this.
I'm sorry?
I'm not interested
Okay.
in this.
Alright. So cash is against the buys on Nasdaq, which is why she's not taking it there. But so far, it's just impulses, you guys. Impulses. You see what I mean? Yeah. It's all before news, okay? That's why they're doing this. Let them. Alright. Okay. On news, what could we look for? That. Okay? If they want to have it, we're going to look at that. If not, we're going to look at this. Okay? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Alright, we could get this zone to zone fill, no problem. But so far we're not able, we don't have enough momentum to break the supply, okay? And those wicks are definitely not helping us either. Okay, but maybe when we start to hit this zone, we also start to cross the 70. Potential golden cross maybe coming in. Okay, but so far we're getting rejected from the 200. Alright, so that's what's happening. Look at that. Dirty is beginning to go bullish. Gold, yeah. Gold could be doing this as well, okay, you guys? Coming into some resistance over here. Let's see how they react to that resistance. Yep, look at Nasdaq, you guys. Look at Nasdaq. Is anyone in any sort of trades? Any feelers, anything of that sort? I have told you all. Again, today's one of those days, guys. We have nothing fixed. It's the way it is in these markets, and we have to be able to find our way and navigate our way through these circumstances. But that's exactly what we do for you guys, right? So, what do y'all think is going to happen? What's the bias like? Bullish? You guys are bullish on Nasdaq? Okay. I don't know why I sell on both. We're gonna have to find out, brother. Listen, we're definitely gonna have this wick to fill, okay? Right? We're gonna most likely get that wick fill in case they wanna bring it down, alright? So just letting you guys know that. I just see this as, that's exactly what it is, man. That's exactly what it is. Alright, so we have about 40 seconds to news. What do y'all want to watch for news, guys? Do y'all want to do nasty or do y'all want to do dirty? Nasty? Alright, nasty it is. Nasty it is. Okay. Let's see if they want to break past the supply, you guys. Let's see if they want to give us that freaking goddamn move, okay? That's too big of a move. TP1 over there. I'm spoiling you guys with these moves. TP1 over there. Again, y'all need to realize that we could push down and do something like that as well, okay? So we have news in about 10 seconds. Let's see what they want to do, alright? So this is news, you guys. Okay. Alright, gold. Sorry, gold. Look at that. Gold went and hit TP. Was anyone trading gold? Did anyone catch gold? Alright, I'm running on Nasdaq, okay? I'm running by freaking 3,000 on Nasdaq. Alright? Again, today's one of those days, guys. I'm getting in on the freaking wicks, okay? Alright, I'm at a break-even stop loss. If it wants to stop me out, it stops me out. If not, it's going to push up and give me some crazy-ass profits, okay? So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Come on, break past. And listen, like I said, I have gotten in this trade realizing that this could come down all the way here. This was our entries even if they want to make a double bottom, okay? So I realize that and I understand that and I'm okay with it. But so far, I'm up by about $700-800, you guys. Still running 700-800, 1,000. Alright, it's ranging in between that. Alright, so pretty shitty, you guys. Pretty shitty movement. Not the nicest. Okay, again, I'm up by 1,500 now. 2,000. Alright, it's trying. It's trying. Alright, and guys, I'm in a risk-free trade, okay? I'm in a risk-free trade. I have break-even stops. Alright, let's take a look at the dirty. Alright, watch out for that. Look at this. Okay. And I'm running by 5,000. Alright, I'm up by 5,000. Okay, come on, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us. I'm gonna liquidate. Alright, I'm up by 6,000, you guys. Alright, it's testing. Come on. Y'all need to realize it could completely get rejected from that supply, okay? But right now, it's trying to push. There's momentum coming in. I'm running by about 6,500, 7,000, 7,500, you guys. Oh, okay, I'm gonna let it touch. I'm gonna try to let it touch 8, and I'm gonna take out half my position, okay? Alright, 70. Alright, 8,000. Come on. Give it to me. 8,000. Alright, so I've liquidated half of my position. Alright, so I just pulled out about 3,900 on one position. But they're taking it up. They're taking it up. They're trying. And I'm in a risk-free trade on Nasdaq right now. Plus, I already made about 4,000 on this trade. Okay, so I am good. And what is the dirty doing? I'm going to take a quick look. Guys, I'm gonna have a trailing stop on this one now, okay? Because I don't wanna risk everything I've given. I got in somewhere in this area. I'm gonna have a trailing stop maybe at this level right here, okay? I'm gonna conserve some of the capital, alright? So dirty is freaking attempting. Alright, dirty is attempting. I like dirty as well right now, guys. I'm getting in on a little feeler on the dirty. I like it, alright? That's momentum, and y'all know me. I'm a sucker for momentum, okay? Alright, I'm on a little feeler buy on the dirty. Alright, did anyone catch gold by any chance? Did anyone catch gold? I wasn't looking at it. I know we were concentrating on the indices, but did anyone end up catching that? Alright, Nasdaq is still attempting. Guys, my second Lambo on Nasdaq's running for 3,600 right now. Alright, the US 30 is trying, you guys. Okay, come on. Freaking give it to us. Let's close, alright? Listen, if you guys are not comfortable, then let price close in your region before you want to take any sort of trades, okay? Caught nasty? Awesome, man. Me too. 4K on the first trade, and I'm still running by 3,000, 3,300 on my second trade. With nasty, okay? And like I said, I have a trailing stop on this one. Alright guys, also this is the first 5 minutes of news, okay? Let's see if they even want to close it, because there's a very good chance that they close it below our box and our supply, and then they start to push back down, okay? Listen, as technical traders, as scalpers, y'all need to know when to pull out your goddamn profits, alright? Don't be greedy, because this is money that you didn't have before we gave you the setup, alright? So take what you get and move out. Do not be complaining, alright? Just take it. These markets, they don't owe us anything, you guys. They really, really don't, alright? The only difference between us and the retail traders that lose money is we're technically smarter than them, and we understand these markets a lot more extensively, okay? So please, take what you get and move. We could have a retest all the way down to the 15-minute resistance, okay, based off of this, alright, or we could even test this area, which would be half that candle. Alright, we could definitely come back down till here to test this out, okay? Why? Because if it wanted to do that, right? So let's see. Alright, who caught that with me, okay? Who made anything off of these setups right now react to my W, alright? Even if you guys are in trade, it'll take you a second to react, okay? Listen, a little appreciation goes a long way, you guys. Like I said, alright? We're doing this for free for you guys, and all we want to know is whether you guys are actually using what we are offering to y'all or not, okay? Look at frickin' nasty pushing. My nasty is running by 4,000, you guys. 4,000. Okay, 12W is not so bad. Not so bad, alright? We need to take that number up, but it's not so bad. 3,500 on nasty still, you guys. I'm gonna, like I said, I have a trailing stop on this one. I'm gonna let it ride. Maybe bank freaking 8 or 10K on this in the next hour or so. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, okay? W Goldie, beautiful. Good, good. The wick fill, I like it. Up 400 on Dirty right now. Congratulations. That's great news. All right. Still, you guys, I still have a nice meaty position in these markets, so I'm happy. All right. I'm not looking for anything because I still have $3,000 in profit that's still running in these markets. Okay. And I've made more than I wanted to for today. The power of scalping. Y'all see the power of technical analysis. We don't care whether a trade hits TP, but we use a strategy and we use the right money management to bank nonetheless, to bank irrespective of whether we hit TP or not. All right, that's where a strategy comes into the picture. Okay, but look at this, guys. The dirty is doing it as well, and I am running on the dirty too. Okay, I'm running. I'm gonna quickly change this to break even, you guys. Give me a second. Alright, so I'm at a break-even stop loss, running by about a pip to 2-3 pips right now. And let's see, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Listen, I want y'all to put in the habit of also starting to become quick enough to just... I got stopped out at break-even, by the way. Alright? Get quick enough to be able to change your stop loss to break even, okay? Because if you're able to master doing that, you're basically not going to be risking much in these markets, and it's going to be good for y'all, okay? Nasty still pushing, you guys. My Nasdaq Lambo is running by 4,800 right now. Alright, the second position that I had. Made a happy meal. Congratulations. I love that. Okay, the dirty is trying as well. Come on, give it to us, man. And let's call it a freaking session. Okay. I'm looking to enter again if we break. Alright, but I need to break the current wick. I need to break this wick and I need to do it with momentum. And I could get this move all the way there. Okay, we're talking about a good 15-20 pip move right here. All I'll be looking for is 10. What's Nasty doing? Oh! Boom! Alright, 5250 on Nasdaq. 5300 on Nasdaq right now. I am freaking running on this bad boy, okay? Alright, look at the dirty as well. I'm watching the dirty on my MetaTrader. Okay, I'm looking to break that wick, you guys. I'm looking to break that wick. Gonna get in with a big one if that happens, okay? Alright, nothing so far. Nothing so far. Guys, I'm running 5600 on Nasdaq. That's a good 56 pip move, babe. 56 pips with the Lambo. Guys, that's crazy. Do y'all look at what the Dow Jones is doing? Good lord. Okay, guys, I'm up by 2300, 2200 on, and I have 2 Lambos. All right, I'm gonna liquidate these positions right now. Who caught that with me, guys? Straight up classic freaking forex setups. Look at that. Please tell me you guys caught that with me. Come on, we've been waiting for it, and good. All right. Okay, I'm gonna send my positions, all my open positions to you guys, but that was goddamn freaking insane. Big W's, I love it. Alright, guys, listen. React to my freaking W, okay? Now, there were, 14 of y'all that did it earlier. Now I want to see how many of y'all made money, okay? Get it done, come on. $15? Okay, good. Guys, I'm closing my position on Nasdaq for 5,300. Alright, 5,300. I've completely liquidated all of my positions and I am now trade free in these markets. Alright, let me show y'all what I caught, okay? Freaking gorgeous. Millzone, please tell me you caught that, brother. Is that a yes? I hope it is. I hope it is. Beautiful. Alright, I'm sending my move out to you guys. I'm just putting up. Gold is tanking? Yeah, I don't give a shit. I just put up my position. So I caught about 4K on the first nasty Lambo that I threw in, and this one I just left running. And then on the dirty, I caught about 19 pips each. Alright, on both my Lambos. Okay, I'm done for the day. Look at fucking gold. Oh my Christ. Did anyone catch that with me? Well, not with me. Did anyone catch that? With whoever is trading it? Okay. And now they're coming down. The sells are coming in. So Cash had been telling me for the longest time the sells are going to come in, the sells are going to come in. And I 100% believe the sells are going to come in because she is the freaking Nasdaq wizard, okay? So I do believe these sells are going to start to come in now. This was the fake out, but that's the thing. We even catch the fake out. That's how we scalp these markets, alright? But listen, if she says it, it's gonna happen. Alright, so we have this zone marked out. Let's see, you guys. We may get a little bit of a retracement. Let's see, but I am gonna be looking for this break of structure for the sells whenever we get here, okay? Whenever we get down here, this is the sells that I'm gonna be looking for on. This looks good to me, but short term. Alright, now y'all can do one of two things. Y'all could be getting in on sells here down to this area, which is 3350 approximately, or you wait for this break and get in on this break of structure down here, because if they want to come down, this is the next level of support. I should have left my position open. Well, shoulda, coulda, woulda, it don't matter, right? I mean, as long as you made some money, that's all that matters, okay? Caught 60 pips on a feel of gold, good. Freaking hell, gold tanked, you guys. Why did it tank though? Does anyone have an answer? Why did it tank? Big ass H&S? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. And not one, right? Multiple. Huh?
No, I missed.
Okay, they're still tanking on gold, you guys.
Look at nasty. Look at nasty. Nasty.
Made a W on Nasty. Cash is queen. She is. She is.
Yes.
She's been telling me from the start, you guys. She's like, don't freaking give the buys, it's gonna sell. Don't freaking give the buys, it's gonna sell. I'm like, we have to give the buys nonetheless, right? Also, that was a really bad impression of Cash that I just did. Sorry. Wait for price to close, you guys. Wait for price to close. Let it do its thing. I'm done. I've made my pips for the day, and I've made more than my pips for the day, in all honesty. All right, so I'm good. I'm good. All right, this is the new hourly swap, by the way. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that, but this is the new hourly swap. Okay, are the cells gonna come in? Babe, this one's for you.
Yep.
Let's see if okay, the cells are coming in. All right, the cells are coming in. Let's see though. All right, this is still the impulse candle. It's not. It's not. It's still not the close, but damn it, we're going zone to zone. I'm getting really enticed to get in on this, but I know that would be over trading because I'm done for the day. Cash is in. All right, guys, just look to secure. Okay, so Cash has been writing this down. Is that what you're saying?
No.
All right, so she's been in from somewhere up here, and so she's very well still in this trade. Finally traded with the gang after so many weeks. Thank you and welcome back. Listen, you guys, we want success stories, straight up, alright? We do this for you guys for free every single day, and all we ask for in return are those success stories. Okay, so give them to us, and just show us a little bit of appreciation, alright? We're working really hard to make this happen for y'all. We make it look easy on these streams, but it's really a lot harder than that. Me and Cash are analyzing these markets practically all day. to be able to present you guys with this information. All right, so just go on to Twitter, throw on a post for us. It would mean the world to us. But again, I'm not gonna force y'all. It is up to y'all. If y'all get value out of what we do, then please go ahead and just throw on a success story in a Twitter post and make sure to tag. Thank you, my man. Always appreciate you. I know my OG gang over here, our OG gang over here, the ones that have been there all the way from when we started until now, they are always going on and throwing these posts for us, okay? And we couldn't appreciate you guys more for that, so thank you so much. First day trading after 2 private sessions with Cram made a humble... That's not a humble one, my man. That's good. Congratulations. Congratulations. I love seeing the fact that so many people from the one-on-ones, and trust me when I say this, I have a lot of people on the one-on-ones, and a lot of them are nearing the end of their course, or they've already completed their course, and it amazes me to see how many people have started making money on live accounts. Congratulations to y'all. It's all you guys. Listen, it's my job to give you guys the information in the best way that I can, and then you guys do the rest, okay? So, good job. Kudos to y'all. Congratulations. I couldn't be more proud of each and every one of y'all. I mean that. It's amazing to see how much... About 80% of the one-on-ones have grown in the past 3 months, and you're already profitable. So, congratulations. It took me, personally, 2.5 years of losing money in these markets before I made my first $1. Alright? It made me 2.5 years. When can we reschedule our session? We're gonna have to do it over the weekend, buddy, because I am otherwise I'm packed. So just message me right before the weekend. I do have some reschedules that I have to finish over the weekend. Yours, Serve, and I think there's one more person. I'm not sure about the name, so I'm gonna work with you guys on Saturday. All right, so message me before that, and we'll fix up a time for you guys on Saturday. Yes, NYHB, my man, right here, correct. All right, so I'll work with y'all on over the weekend, okay? Alright, so this is going to happen when it's going to happen. Listen, y'all have your levels marked out. Y'all have the cells marked out. If y'all don't want to be trading and y'all have made your pips, just walk away from these markets, because that's all that you need to do. Alright, but trust me when I say this, you guys, this is going to be a good break when we want to come down here. But before they give us that, they could possibly also give us this. Alright, listen, from this session, how many of you guys are going to be coming on for London tomorrow? React to that, because we need to know. Alright, we need to know. Guys, it's hard to put in the time and effort the way we do and come on for 5-10 people, alright? I've been doing this for close to 6 months now. And yes, we have people on New York, but... we'll just put a halt on the London session till we get more people on. That's all we'll do, because it's we'd rather be trading ourselves than trade ourselves and grow our accounts than trade with a group of 5-10 people. Okay, I'm being honest with y'all. It takes time, it takes effort. All right, we have 17 people that are guaranteeing you they'll be there, and I'm sure a lot of our Australian friends, and there are quite a few of them over here. Guys, look at Nasdaq. All right, the cells. I love you, baby. This is why I love you. This is so freaking textbook. Textbook cells called by cash without even freaking calling it. I love it. I love it, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Classic. We're going down to hit TP on these goddamn freaking cells. Look at that. And we hit TP on Cash's trade right there. I love it. I love it. Okay, take out your profits if you guys got in on this. That was a quick about... Not even a small move, you guys. This is a chunky move, okay? I didn't trade this. I know Cash's, but she just gave you guys a 40 pip trade right there whilst we're closing the session. Another W. Awesome, you guys. I love it. I love it. Got a Cash W, babe. There are messages for you. Another W. Alright, lovely. What do you think will happen on gold? Yeah. We're coming to some support down there. But again, you don't want to be selling such an oversold market. I personally would be looking for the trend reversals, and you guys could start to attempt to catch it from here, but in all honesty, this is still break of structure, and if we get that, we could get this move to the upside. So I wouldn't be looking at more sells. That being said, these markets could continue to sell and sell and sell and sell even more, okay? Got a cram nasty W buy earlier. Cheers, man. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, so let's have a couple of trade recaps, okay? Babe, can you take this down for me?
Yeah.
All right, so we had our. What was the first one we did?
Last. No.
Okay. Just give me a quick second, you guys. Okay. So we caught the US 30 buys for 32 pips. We caught the nasty buys,
US 30.
32 pips.
32. Last buy.
What the Sorry, you guys, give me a second. We caught the nasty buys for 37 pips.
Not good volume for.
Yep, that's low volume for news, guys. You all know that, okay? We caught the nasty sells for 36 pips, 37 pips.
37 pips.
And gold was the move, you guys. This was the real move, okay?
Sell.
And we caught the gold sells. Oh!
Still got by.
Still freaking fucking tanking, you guys. Caught the gold sells for 107 pips. 107 pips. Alright, so did you guys have a good trading day? Did y'all like this? Do y'all get value out of what we do for you guys here at Forex Trading? Gold is still tanking. Yes, amazing. Alright, love it. Thanks. You're always welcome, you guys. 1% every day. That's the way to grow, man. That's the way to grow. Alright, slow and steady. Compound your account up. It's easy to make 5-6% in a day on a random day, but it's really, really, really hard to make 0.5% or 1% consistently, okay? Trust me, it's the only way to consistently be profitable in these markets. Alright, so guys, please, success stories, go on to Twitter, throw a little post for us, tag me, CramFX, CashFX, Millzone, and Project Whitelist, okay? Make sure that you tag the 4 of us, and let's get the word out there, because I keep telling you guys we're building an army, alright? And we're building an army of millionaires. It's up to you if you guys want to be part of it, or if you all don't, we're still going to keep doing what we do, and just it'd be nice to have some supporters at our early stage, is all I'm trying to say, alright? So, do we have any questions, or can we call it a session? Any questions at all, guys? Thanks, Cram Cash, for a great session. Caught small dubs with you guys. See you all tomorrow for London. Absolutely. See you tomorrow. That was a nice way to close the session, with a quick trade over there. Okay, watch out for gold, you guys. The reversals could very likely be coming in based off of this volumized wick. See you for London, I hope. Yeah, we do have about, 20 people? Are you okay with that? Alright, Cash says she's going to do London. Okay? And guys, moving forward, if we do, again, if it's an emergency that's uncalled for, we're not going to be able to give you guys a notice. But if it's something that we're aware about, because guys, we also run a production house, we also have shoots, we're filmmakers, we're actors, so we also have shoots that we have to go on to. So there are going to be days every now and then, every once in a while, where we are going to skip some sessions, okay? But it is what it is, and like I said, we are offering the service for free on here, so take what you get. All right, and don't take us for granted. Be grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I really, really, really appreciate y'all. And again, you OGs, all of y'all, I know each and every one. I know who y'all are, and thank you for always standing by us and always supporting us. And we promise, all of us here at Forex, we're always going to do you guys good, okay? For the one-on-ones, if anyone's interested, I am opening up another 5 slots for this week. Well, I think one already got booked today, so I'm opening up another 4 slots for this week. If you guys are interested in being personally mentored by me and learn the Forex trading strategy, then join us. We have about 80 people on the one-on-ones right now, out of which 50 have already started making real money. So if that's something that interests you, either message me or message Cash, and we'll send you the details for the same. Alright, thank you guys so much. I really, really, really appreciate each and every one of y'all. This is what we do at Forex Trading, you guys. Alright, so we're going to catch you for London tomorrow, New York after. Have a good day, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and just take it easy, alright? This is Forex Trading, you guys. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, signing out.